Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. On this video today, I'll be showing you how to make burger buns at home. It is a simple recipe, anyone can do it. If you like my recipes, kindly consider subscribing, and those that have continued to support this channel, thank you so much for your support. And let's get started. I start off by adding milk to a mixing bowl, and I'm going to list all the ingredients and their quantities on the description box, so be sure to check that out. Next, I add sugar and yeast, and then I'm going to give that mixture a good mix, ensuring that all the sugar dissolves. And guys, use warm milk, lukewarm milk, not too hot, not too cold. And then after that, just cover the mixture and leave it for 5 minutes, and 5 minutes later you can see that the yeast has already started to turn milky, and that shows that it's ready for the next step. And now I add an egg, next I go in with salt, and then I go in with oil. And then now at this point I start adding the flour, and you can use all-purpose flour or you can use bread flour, it's okay, whatever you have at hand. And then for the flour, add it gradually, don't add it all at once. Ensuring that you mix in well after each addition. Then continue mixing until such a point when you can't mix in with the whisk again, and then go in with your hands to make a soft dough. And you'll start to notice that the dough will be sticky. It is not a problem. That is how bread dough is supposed to be like. Just continue mixing inside the bowl and then transfer the dough into a working surface and then start kneading. And to make the dough even softer, be sure to use some cooking oil, pour it on the dough and then continue kneading. And then you're going to knead this for roughly 10 to 15 minutes. Kneading will make the dough soft, and it will also help in the activation of yeast. And this is how the dough is looking like. It is super soft. I'm not sure if you can tell from the video, but it is so soft. Now take a clean bowl, pour some cooking oil on the bowl, and then spread the oil even on the sides of the bowl. And then put the dough inside the bowl and also apply some cooking oil on the dough. This will help the dough when rising so that it doesn't stick on the sides of the bowl. Tucking the dough like shown on the video and then add it to the bowl. And you're supposed to leave the dough to rise on its own for like 50 minutes to 1 hour. Just cover. So the idea is to cover the dough so that it rises on its own, and I prefer to use a plastic wrap to do so. And I'm just going to cover the bowl and then tightly and then leave it to rise. And you can tell when the dough is ready because it will have doubled in size after the recommended 50 to 1 hour minutes to 50 minutes to 1 hour that is supposed to be left on its own to rise. And after 50 minutes, this is how the dough was. You can see it has doubled in size. It's looking nice, so soft. Just punch the dough to remove any air from the dough and then knead it for some time. Yeah, you can see it is super soft. And I weighed the dough. It was 950 grams and I just needed 6 burger buns. So divided that by 6 and I got that one burger bun was 158 grams. Cut it into the sizes that you like, however you like, and then place them on a baking tray. Just press the balls lightly like you can see on the video. Not too much, just lightly, and then leave the balls to rise for another 40 minutes. And 40 minutes later, you can see that the balls have risen, and at this point, I'm just going to apply some milk and sugar mixture onto the balls. Milk tends to give the buns a nice golden color when baking. And then I added sesame seeds just to sprinkle some on the top, but you can skip this step. It is absolutely optional. If you do not like sesame seeds, you do not have to sprinkle them on the top of the bun. And that is how they are looking like. Now it's time to bake. Bake at 180 degrees for 20 to 25 minutes. And after 20 to 25 minutes, the buns will be ready. They will be so brown like you can see on the video. Just brush some margarine or some butter on the buns when they are still hot so that they can get that super shiny look on them. And they are ready to be used for burgers. You guys, I hope you like this video. I hope you are going to try it out, and I hope to see you guys on my next video. And thank you so much for your continued support.